Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about suicidal tendencies are more common in involution depression and psychotic depression. Involution depression is also called as depression with melancholic features. Depression with melancholic features is also called as involutional depression, and it is also seen in psychotic depression. Suicidal tendencies are also seen in one more type of depression, which is endogenous depression. So suicidal tendencies are seen in involutional depression, psychotic depression, and endogenous depression. Thank you, and thank you for watching.